Hi ladies! So today's nail art tutorial is a Christmas themed nail art tutorial, and I'll show you how you can create this beautiful fireplace and Christmas tree nail art that's really cozy and that will give you a very warm Christmas feel. So without any further ado, let's get started. As always, start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails and then paint all your nails with a pearl white color. If you do not have a pearly white color, you can always use a plain white color. I had this, so I used this as this will give a more shimmery look over the white. We will start by painting our pinky with the light decoration. Now going in, I have made two green lines, curvy lines overlapping each other, and it's the wire of the lighting, and then going around I'm filling in with some dots to make the LED lights. Now coming on to my ring finger, I'll make a Christmas tree. Taking a dark green color, make inverted V's and spread it as you go down, and use some light green for shading so that it will look more natural and textured. Then add a star over the tree using golden polish or golden acrylics. Then add a few ornaments to the tree, and your Christmas tree decoration will be done. Now coming on to my middle finger, I'll create a fireplace on this. So I'm going in with a red polish and covering around the edges of my cuticle for the brick wall, and on my index I'm covering it 1/3 of my nails with the red polish. Now I'll let it dry and I'll work on my thumb. Now coming on to the thumb, I will make a holly wreath on this. So I'm going in and making leaves in a circular pattern, and then I will add some red dots on it to make the hollies, and I will cover the bottom half in a V shape with black polish. I will let it dry and I'll come back later to this nail. Now coming back to my middle finger, I'll make the brick walls using silver polish, and I'll make the bricks around the red polish, and then I will use a yellow paint to cover the white area, and it will give us the effect of fireplace. Now going in with the dotting tool and white polish, I am creating some dots over the red line on my index, and coming back to my thumb, I'll make a bow on the area that I have painted black, and the bow is ready and our holy wreath is done. Now for my middle finger, I'll put some orange polish around the yellow and it will give the flames effect. And on my index, I will add some gift boxes because that is a stocking stuffer. So I'll put some gift boxes in some different colors. I'll add some patterns to it and then some bows, and my Christmas nail art is done. So guys, this is the final look. I have added a top coat and my nails are shiny. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please rate, leave your comments below. I would love to read your comments. Also, if you want, you can like me on my Facebook page, Lovely Nails and Pretty Hairstyles, or you can follow me on Instagram, #Lovely Nail and Hairstyle. It's same as my YouTube channel name. And if you haven't already, then please hit the subscribe button and get notified of new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, bye bye, and happy holidays.